and high communicative load. We could make an argument that Colonel Tanaka and her whole crew need to be in sensory deprivation.
Pandemic began back in the beginning of 2020. He was lost in discussions at that stage. He was very concerned about how they'd cope, what would happen. He is on the line now. Tony Walker, good morning. Don't you for a kid there.
Fuck's sake. Good time.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
You drove in your lane! Fuck you! Drive on your lane, man! Fucking weird! You fucking retard! Wow! I'll definitely see you on the dash. I said I'll definitely send you to the dash cam. There's a 3-lane. You're in the left lane. You fucking blind. I'll send the dash cam, and you see. You fucking left lane. You want to stop the car and call the police now? You want to stop the car and call the police now? See if you're in the middle lane. If you're in the middle lane, I'll pay you back. Triple. Shut the fuck up. It's all your fault. Fuck you. Fuck you.
On the right. And somewhere in those data collecting years, we were told this likely had meaning. Jen and I were mirror twins.
When we look in the mirror and a single to
use it and call her.
Yeah.
So you hope they call you. I'd be really sad if they didn't call my name, but
Well, I guess at the very least you could call their names and see how they react.
Right. Well, see, that would be a eureka moment, I think, if you hit
Whoa, what a
the Lolita
fucker.
button and Lolita suddenly turned and looked right at you.
What the fuck are you doing, you piece of shit?
You missed the turn! Fuck off!
So delicious.
Ew. But whatever turns you on. I didn't say it turns you on more than me. Does a better job.
Welcome to the T-Way.
Suck shit.
Oh boy. Oh, there's a new one for Scotty.
Ah, not those guys again!
To ride their bikes freeway.
They're late to go around, so they're not going to be able to. They're going to try. So see what the sun biker in front did? Pulls out so he knows to clear the path. So see what the sun biker in front did? Pulls out so he knows to clear the path. Look, that's dangerous though. Still one stuck behind.
Fat Jim goes in the front.
You know, when people like you drive down the streets with your unnecessarily loud motorcycles thinking you're all cool, everyone is actually laughing at you and calling you pathetic. You do realize this, right?
I've got a big truck. You know, I'm not the kind of Aussie guy to be stuck behind a desk. I'd rather be stuck behind the wheel of a truck, because a truckie's life is best.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's my truck.
He's got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's his truck.
My truck's got big wheels, lots of big wheels, they're bloody huge wheels, it's got big wheels.
He's got big wheels, lots of big wheels, they're bloody huge wheels, he's got big wheels.
My rig's a big rig, it's a huge rig, it's a large rig, my rig's big.
He's got a big rig, it's a huge rig, it's a large rig, his rig's big. You know, the thing I really like about being a truckie is the freedom. Just so long as you go where you're told, get there on time, and pay your 36 grand to the finance company, you're a free man.
I've got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's a huge truck, it's my truck.
He's got a big truck, it's a large truck, it's... Shit!
You're dumb, Private Pa, but do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
Sir, no, sir!
Then you did that on purpose. You want to be different.
Sir, no,